Cooking starts in 3, 2, 1.
We have the pan, we have the pork steak. Heat the pan. Place the meat into the pan. This method is called flattening, wherein we are going to let out the water from the meat for the meat to be tasty. So, as you can see, there is water already coming out. We did not put any ingredients yet, any butter whatsoever, because we are focused first now in letting the water from the meat to go out. So you're going to cover this one 15 minutes each side. So technically it is 30 minutes in all. There, you're going to add the extra meat. Set aside the meat that is done flattening. Again, heat each side for 15 minutes and flip it again, and if you're done with the 15 minutes, you're going to flip it and wait again for another 15 minutes before you are fully done with this flattening method. Now we'll start cooking. We're going to use a butter in exchange of oil for much healthier food. And that is garlic and followed by onions. Make sure to heat them properly. So for now, the meat that we flattened a while ago will be placed to the pan where there was garlic, onion, and butter. So wait for it to be brownish. Keep flipping it so that it won't get overcooked. This heating process may take from 20 minutes to an hour. During the process, put sugar, brown sugar, or you can use white sugar. Sorry if this was cut out due to technical difficulties, but after putting the sugar we put soy sauce and that tomato sauce. Now is we heated that up and put the bell peppers, the green and the red. Just boil it. And there is the plating already. It's the taste time, my favorite part. So I'm showing to you the food. It's there. I can't fully show it because the water so it's like the liquid part of the sauce. Yes, the sauce would spill out. So I am so sorry there. So I asked for a pork from my mother who cooked it. And there I am eating it. It's yummy. There another, the sauce. It really does contemplate the tenderness of the sauce to the meat, and I think that was the use of flattening. The meat is tender, it was juicy. There was not that kind of taste that I really hate with some meat. Cover mouth, put it in one go. Yes, it's yummy. Eat the bell pepper.
Choo choo choo. Okay. Chew. Dance. Put hands together. Chew still. Go. Can do it. You chew it. There. Done. Gosh. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right there to be notified for our upcoming videos. Always remember, great cooking equals a happy tummy. You may check out our other videos there, and you may also check out my channel, which is Ren's Vleen, because I will be vlogging about things. Thank you so much again. See you on our next video.